Right now, as you watch this, the universe is dying. Not in an explosion, not in a collapse. It is simply running out of light. Every second, fewer stars are being born than the second before. The universe has been going blind for 10 billion years, and nothing can stop it. How did the greatest light show in existence start fading? And what will the universe look like when the last star goes out? To understand what we're losing, we have to go back 10 billion years. The universe was a forge. Galaxies were colliding. Gas clouds were collapsing into stars at a rate we can barely imagine. This was the brightest the universe has ever been, or will ever be. Since that peak, star formation has collapsed by 97%. The universe today makes stars at a fraction of what it once did, like a factory running on 1% of its original power. Think of the universe like a campfire. In the beginning, someone threw on an enormous pile of wood. The fire roared. Stars blazed across every galaxy. But nobody added more wood. And now, 13 billion years later, we are sitting around the last embers. The problem is hydrogen. Stars are made of it. But the universe is running out. Galaxies are not recycling hydrogen fast enough. The raw material for new stars is nearly gone. In about 100 trillion years, the last star will die. It will be a tiny red dwarf, burning so slowly, so dimly, it barely qualifies as a star at all. When it goes out, there are no replacements. The universe goes dark, forever. Here is what should stop you cold. We exist at the exact moment in cosmic history when light still exists. Before us, too hot, too violent. After us, too dark, too cold. We are inside the universe's one brief window of illumination. And that window is closing. Slowly, but it is closing. But the darkness is not the whole story. Every atom of carbon in your body was forged inside a dying star. You are not separate from the universe going dark. You are its light, made solid. The universe is going blind, but before it does, it made eyes. It made you. And for one brief, luminous moment, it got to see itself.
If this made you think, you're already asking the right questions. See you in the next one.